Hi, my name is Muhammad Shazlan bin Maha. I'm a first year student from School of Physics under the program of Pure Physics. My role in this group is a script writer.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhamad Adha bin Ibrahim. I am the first year student from the School of Physics. My role in this video is I am the editor.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Khairul Danial bin Khairul Azhar, and I am a first year Pure Physics student from School of Physics at USM. My contribution in this group is as a presenter. Have you ever heard about Tesla coil? If no, then this video is for you to know more about Tesla coil. The name itself shows us that it is somehow related to a scientist named Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla developed a device in 1891 which is known as Tesla coil. It is a device that can produce high voltage, low current, and high frequency alternating current AC electricity. There are two categories of Tesla coil, which is spark gap Tesla coil or SGTC and solid state Tesla coil SSTC in short. In this video we will talk more about spark gap Tesla coil, so without wasting any more time, let's go straight to the components of the Tesla coil. Let's go! As you can see in the diagram, the Tesla coil consists of a high voltage supply transformer and a resonance circuit which is made up of an inductor and a capacitor and a spark gap that acts as a switch in the primary circuit, which consists of two pieces of metal. Now, let's go straight on how it works now. The first thing that we need is an alternating current source which will be connected to the transformer. With a high magnetic coupling within the two coils inside the transformer, we can obtain an alternating current with higher voltage. This alternating current will then go to the resonance circuit with its corresponding capacitor and inductor, which usually called the primary coil. The two pieces of metals which serves as a switch is also included to provide a secondary path for the electrons to flow by jumping through them with a spark. This will allow the passage of the charges that were stored in the capacitor and quickly discharging it. Let's focus back on the primary coil. An extremely high voltage is passing through it, and therefore it will generate an electromagnetic field, which we can take advantage of with the secondary coil. We will have two coils nearby with a big difference between the number of turns each, which means we will have a second transformer in this Tesla coil. This will increase the voltage in the secondary coil. The secondary coil is connected to the ground and its upper part is connected to a metallic piece of toroidal shape, which is also known as torus. It has this shape to able to accumulate a greater charge and prevent it from escaping into its surrounding until it reaches a point where it will be released with high energy due to the potential difference between the air around it. Let's recall back that when a voltage oscillation goes through the primary coil, it will generate an electromagnetic field and will trigger the secondary coil. It has the same resonant frequency as the primary coil. The secondary coil generates a much higher voltage than the primary coil due to the difference in the number of laps between the both coils. The secondary coil will continue to oscillate even when the primary coil stops working. It has the same concept of a pendulum. We can think that the secondary coil is the pendulum and the primary coil is the force that pushes the pendulum. This way, it will be possible to generate a much higher voltage than the one that had been started. Now that we understand how a Tesla coil works, let's understand its goal, which is to transmit power wirelessly. So, what are the advantages of Tesla coil? The advantages of Tesla coil is that number 1, it is a wireless non-radiative energy transfer. Other than that, the voltage was distributed uniformly throughout the winding coils. It also builds up the voltage at a slow pace, and hence no damage will be dealt to the equipment. If there is advantage of Tesla coil, then there must be disadvantages for it too. So, what are the disadvantages of Tesla coil? Number 1, it possesses several health hazards due to the high voltage radio frequency emission. This includes skin burn, damage to the nervous system, and heart. Other than that, it also consumes much time to be constructed as it needs to be perfect to resonate. In conclusion, Tesla coil are able to generate high voltage with high frequency. It can transmit electrical power wirelessly up to certain distances. Nowadays, the principle of Tesla coil is being used everywhere. For example that we might know is that smartphones are released with built-in wireless charging. There are other examples that uses Tesla coil principle, such as televisions, radios, and many more. We should be thankful to Nikola Tesla, since he was the one who came up with this idea, and now the world are using his idea to make it even more better. Do you have a better grasp in Tesla coil now?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
If your answer is yes, my job is done now. That is all from us. Thank you.